Hey everyone! In today's video, we're covering how to create a shopping cart screen using the Ionic design kit. Let's go over each part. On the left side of your screen, we have code snippets from the official Ionic documentation. In the center, you'll see the layout crafted with the Ionic design kit. And on the right, a phone emulator shows the live results of our code. Feel free to pause the video anytime to catch the details. In this video, we'll set up a user-friendly shopping cart screen using Ionic design kit components. These elements fit seamlessly within the Ionic framework, creating a polished, consistent look that's both engaging and easy to navigate. Let's talk about what makes the Ionic design kit so useful. Built on the Ionic framework, it's a toolkit packed with pre-made components that designers and developers can drop into their projects, saving tons of time. Designers can quickly grab elements without creating them from scratch, and developers get components that fit right into the Ionic framework, making integration straightforward and keeping the coding simple. This setup speeds up the whole process and makes for a more collaborative workflow. Now, onto the shopping cart screen. This feature is a must-have for any app with purchasing options. It gives users a single place to review, update, and manage items they're looking to buy before heading to checkout. When designed well, it helps users move smoothly through the buying process and makes the app experience much more enjoyable. You can find all the code snippets and instructions on our website. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more guides on using the Ionic design kit. Happy coding, and we'll see you in the next video.